Hey guys, welcome to my show Say Cheers with Gisela. Today is day 3 in Kolam and we are at All Season Default Ayurvedic Resort. So on day 1 we met Chef Shine and yesterday we went for a wonderful boat ride at Ashtamudi Lake. So today I'm going to prepare a simple and elegant cocktail for Chef. So he's waiting at the poolside, so let's go. Oh, hi Chef, what are you up to? Are you making a cocktail without me?
No way. I'm just with my favorite ingredients, waiting for you to try one of your special cocktail. Come.
Sure, I'll do that.
You can try, you can give me something special with watermelon?
Sure, I will. I can see some delicious ingredients out here.
Yeah.
I know I'm gonna make something special for you. I hope you like it.
I will also counter you with a very iconic special Keralian dish.
Wow, I'm waiting for that too.
So please, I'm waiting too.
So let's begin. So today I am going to make you a cocktail, a very simple cocktail called Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yes. So for that, first thing we are going to do is chill our glass. So while our glass is chilling, we are going to prepare the cocktail. First thing we are going to add is watermelon. So I'm going to add 3 pieces. I can see tulsi here, so we're going to use fresh tulsi.
So we can use holy basil and the normal basil.
Yes, yes. Going to muddle it. Next we are going to do is fresh squeezed lime juice. So 10 ml. Now we're going to add is sugar syrup. So I'm going to add in 15 ml. Main ingredient, our booze.
Wow.
We're going to use is Bacardi Limon.
Okay. It's very specific for Bacardi lemon or any white rum is possible.
White rum you can use, it will also balance well with white rum. Limon is going to be an additional flavor. So limon basically it's a Spanish word for lemon. But in this they use 3 types of citrus like your lemon, your lime and your grapefruit.
Wow.
So that is going to enhance the flavor of the drink.
Just can't wait.
So I'm going to add in 45 ml. And now we're going to shake the cocktail. Lots of ice. The key for a good cocktail, if you want to shake a good cocktail, it's lots of ice. You need to hear the sound of the cocktail shaker.
Oh. So you shake the cocktail for the purpose like to mix it well and you read it from the sound.
Yes, so the main purpose is just not mixing but also to come to know the dilution. Wow. So the ice you're going to shake, you're going to get the crack so you can hear the sound. You can come to know the dilution of your cocktail.
I was thinking like, just it's a style of doing it.
It's not a style, it's like the amount of dilution and amount of a cocktail to be mixed.
Wow, that seriously is a great.
So I'm going to discard this ice. Now that our glass is chilled. Strain it.
Wow, looks very elegant.
Yes, it's going to be delicious too.
Now the garnishing part.
Yes, so we're going to garnish it with fresh watermelon ball and we're going to use a fresh tulsi sprig. Just
Both are my
yes,
flavors actually.
and that's it. This is your cocktail, What a melon.
So beautiful, trust me. The interesting part is, it goes with your costume also.
Thank you.
Wow, it's simply awesome.
So just simple ingredients which is easily available in entire India, and you can make a cocktail at home.
And along with this, I'm going to compliment you something different, something delicious. It's called chicken pataka.
Thank you so much, chef.
Then flame it. Ooh, can see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now that looks amazing, and I know it's delicious too.
With your cocktail, let's try our Keralian flavors.
Great. So I'm going to try this dish now. So what is it called?
Chicken patakas,
Pataka.
wrapped in banana leaf, and it will have a burnt flavor. We use all kind of traditional Keralian spices.
Oh wow. This looks amazing.
Take a piece
gonna
of,
have
yeah,
this.
with a coconut,
Okay.
yeah. Piece of coconut, yeah. Sliced coconut. Yeah, take a bite. Wow.
Wow, this was delicious. So thank you, chef, so much for it. And this has been a fantastic experience.
Like watermelon.
Yes.
Okay.
So see you guys in the next episode of
Say cheers with
Gisela.